Alright guys, welcome back to the Healthy Dome. Today we have a very interesting video because I am teaching you today how to devein a shrimp and how to take off the peel. I know usually you buy them without, but if you're a person that likes having local seafood and the cheapest value that you can get, one way is to buy your shrimp whole like this, and you can peel them and devein them yourself, and that way you will save a couple dollars in purchasing these. One way to do it is very simple. All you have to do is basically go in the back here where the little legs are, and you're going to put your finger in there, or your thumb as I'm doing, and you're gonna remove the first one, and it comes right off. Then when you're about halfway, you can either take it out this way, but you usually have this tail left over. Let me see if I can zoom in. Alright, so as you can see here, you have this tail that you need to remove, and the easiest way is to grab your thumb and your nail, and you're gonna pinch it and just pull it out. It should come right out and without having to damage the tail, and it'll just come, you know, it'll just come right out. I'll show you again with another one, but basically you're gonna do that. And I have this pointy thermometer here, which I'm using to devein the shrimp, and the deveining is basically removing this little line right here, which is the digestive tract of the shrimp, in other words, the poop. So you're gonna remove this by pinching just 1/4 of a centimeter below, right here if you can see, and you're gonna move as further down on the tail as possible, and you're just going to pinch that and pull it out, and you will see that you will get out this little piece right here. You're just gonna grab it and you're going to pull it out, and it should come right out. And don't be afraid. I mean, like I said, if you want to save some money and you're on a budget, this would be one way to do so. But if you don't want to go through this process, then by all means do whatever you need to. But yeah, this is basically how you do it, and it's good because the fact that the shrimp is not cut in here keeps it from losing juices once it's cooked. So that's one thing that to consider with this. It's one of the benefits, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do another one so you can see again what I do, and it's just basically removing it, removing the peel, and then grabbing the tail and kind of pressing down on it like this, and you shimmer it out, and then it'll slide right through. Then taking a sharp tool, which in this case is my thermometer, pinching 1/4 of a centimeter down, removing that, pulling it out, and then taking it and pulling it out slowly and having it come out just like this. And that's pretty much it, and we keep going, and you will see me do all these, and once you get used to it, it's pretty much a no-brainer. It's very simple and you won't even have to worry. But yes, removing that top little layer, and then going in, pinching it through, pulling it out. Very simple. Another way to do it, but I really don't consider this way, like I said, the shrimp holds its way pretty much the way it is without that. But if you slide it through, if you want that texture where you want the shrimp to be split in half, like you see, split into 1/4, just like you see before, to get this type of effect. You could do that as well, and it's pretty simple like that too, but it's faster to do it with the needle. Alright guys, so I finally am done with everything. So just, you know, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification box so you can know when I'm posting another video, and follow me on my social media and my website, which is thehealthydome.com, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Bye!